the RitFit M1 power cage with Smith machine and cable cross pulley system. This is the cable cross pulley system. This right here is the Smith machine. Comes with a beautiful Olympics 2-inch bar right there. And we have another straight bar. Comes with a lot of different type of color weights, from 25 pound, 10 pound, 15 pound, 45, 35. Beautiful, heavy duty, good quality of weights. From bottom to top, the height is 85.3 inches in height. Now from the back to all the way to the front is 68.1 inches. And now if we look to the front, from the left side to the right side is 47.5 inches. It holds up to 1,500 pounds. Incredible. You could do many different types of ups for your backs. Comes with a lot of attachments, and your attachments could hold and store on easily. The weights store on easily in the back. We got here is the landmine to put your 45 bars. Multiple exercise right there. Hook up, put your 2 feet there to secure while you're doing back exercise. Full body, from squat, deadlift, bench press, any single thing you want to do, you could do it on this machine. For price and details, check in the description box below. They got incredible different type of package that you could afford, either without weights, with not weights, whatever you want. This company is outstanding. Plus, they send you all this for beginners to learn how to exercise. Plus, it comes with this amazing, heavy-duty, good quality bench. Easily adjustable from incline, decline, sit up straight. Overall, a good quality, very high quality. Their stuff is made really well, handle to move it. Outstanding machine, really next level. If you're looking for a complete home gym, I highly recommend this. As a fitness person, it's complete. The price, you cannot go wrong. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos by clicking the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and details. It's overall a very, very good quality of home gym machine power cage.